So today we're testing 4 different glues. We're testing JB Weld for plastics. We're testing 3D glue for PETG. We're testing Weld-On 16, and yeah, this is how the tube came from Amazon. It's pretty beat up, but I'm sure we'll be able to get some liquid out of there. And we are testing PVC cement. One of our viewers actually recommended we test the PVC cement on PETG. So that's why we're adding this into this glue test. Now this time we printed obviously our bike handles in a PETG, and we printed them vertically like this instead of like this to create some more support structure in the actual print itself. So we're gonna glue these together this way, and we're gonna see if we can snap them apart. We're also gonna try to twist apart the actual handles from each other once we glue them. We're going to adhere to whatever the directions are for each of these glues. So if they need to be clamped, we're going to clamp them. If they need to dry for 24 hours, we're going to let them dry for 24 hours. Now let's get these glued together and see how they handle bonding PETG. And I also printed these handles in a PETG by Overture, which looks really similar to one of my favorite tool lines, the Ryobi tool line. As you can see, it's a very similar green color. Now let's get to our strength test. While we're assembling this, let's talk about each one of these different glues. 3D glue is specifically formulated for 3D printed materials, including this version for PETG. It has a proprietary blend designed to create strong chemical bonds between printed parts. One of the disadvantages of 3D glue for PETG is it is relatively expensive compared to more generic adhesives. PVC glue, commonly used for plumbing applications, is a solvent-based adhesive designed to bond PVC pipes and fittings. While not specifically made for PETG, it can be used as a general-purpose adhesive for 3D prints. PVC glue is generally a lot cheaper than specialized 3D printing adhesives. One of its limitations is it tends to be more liquid and can lead to dripping and uneven application. Weld-On 16 is a solvent cement primarily used for bonding acrylics. It's known for creating strong, durable bonds that chemically weld materials together. Now, one of its strengths is this adhesive is formulated to allow for precise application, which is beneficial for detailed 3D printed parts. So I actually miscounted and didn't make enough of these handles, so we had to 3D print a few more overnight, and now we're gonna get them set up with the JB Weld. JB Weld for plastic is a 2-part epoxy adhesive designed specifically for bonding plastic materials. It creates a strong, lasting bond by chemically reacting and curing when mixed. One of the strengths about JB Weld for plastic is the bond is resistant to